So we're just going to take you through some of the restoration processes that we go through with some of our furniture, and one of our most popular items are the printer's trays. And these are the old teak frame trays that were used by typesetters, the letter setters, up until probably about 20-30 years ago, before digital printing technology took over. So these are the trays here. This is them in their original condition that we find them in. And you can see the kind of really worn and broken condition that we find them in. And each one of these would have housed a different size of font and a different style of font. But the vast majority of these will certainly get used. And you can see that the first stage is to basically get them repaired, remove these little paper inserts that were used for housing the letters. And then here's one here. Here's one that's in a pretty good condition. This is one that's probably been restored already. So the next stage is to get a carpenter to repair these parts, to strengthen these corners here and here, to make sure that they're structurally sound and absolutely fine for use by our customers. So we'll take you over to the next stage, which is to get them cleaned up. More detailed work, getting some lacquer right into some of the corners. The lacquer kind of preserves the wood a little bit for us. You see, it gets right into the corners there. These are the printer's trays as they've been finished and waxed, ready to go, ready to be packed with the orders that we have.